Hi, my name is Miguel Omar and with my friend Fernando Avila we'll show you how to install Deep C++ and create your first C program. Step 1. We have to go to the link that appears in our browser. It will be below in the description of this video. Step 2. We will go to download and select where it says 32 and 64 bits. Now we have to wait for it to download automatically. If you don't know how many bits your PC has, you must go to Control Panel, then System and Security, now System, and there it will be. Step 3. We can select the file we are downloading to automatically run when the download is complete. When it runs, a window will show and only the administrator can accept. Step 4. Now we will select our language, then accept the terms and conditions. Now we will select the full version of Deep C++, and finally we select where it says install. Step 5. We select to finish with the checkbox. When it's running, we will click next in our language, then we can customize our Deep C++ and can modify this at any time. And finally click on OK.
Well, now that we are inside the application, we will create a first C language program. As a first step, we will have to press the Ctrl command plus N so that a new project opens and we can enter our source code. Once we have our new project open, we will write the included studio library.h. Then we will mark the start of the program with the following line of code in main parentheses, and we will open the following spanner. Already marked on the beginning, we will write the printf and in quotes what we want our program to print on the screen. At the end we put a semicolon and we write return 0. Now we'll compile, save our project with the .c extension and run the program. As you can see, our hello world is printed without any problem. So this was everything, and we hope you liked this video. Thanks for your attention.
It is question time. What's the meaning of main? Normally, it controls program execution by directing calls to other programs' functions.
What function does print have?
Print on the screen what's inside the brackets. What line of the code did the program end with?
With the command line return 0. Where can I see if my PC is 32 or 64 bit?
Go to Control Panel, then System and Security, now System, and there it will be. Why we use include stdioh?
Stdioh is canon to contain the input and output operation like printf or scanf, etc. H extension means the header file.